this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are usually short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate. But for today, I thought I'd just share with you very quickly. Tomorrow marks the 60th anniversary of the day of my birth. So the only thing I have to say is, put this on right. Happy birthday to me. That's all I have for this week. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.